Hello, and thank you for taking Airbox Airlines. I hope you have a great flight. Please wear your seatbelt. We do not have any accidents here. Just please wear your seatbelt. Nothing will happen. Okay. Oh, guys, here we go. Are you guys excited?
Yes!
Okay, but just one problem. It's too bad Grandpa and my girlfriend couldn't come, but who's ready for Mexico?
What?
We're going to Mexico. Do you remember?
Oh yeah, we're going to Mexico. Oh, we can't wait, Mario.
Yeah, let's go. We're having difficulties. The plane's gonna crash. Abort.
Te llevo.
What happened? Willis, get up. You guys good?
Yeah.
Where are we?
Where are we?
It looks like we're in the desert.
Yes, we're ours.
Oh my gosh.
Yes, freaking sand.
Let's go find a way. Let's go. Oh my gosh, so much walking. A few days later. Guys, we're so hungry.
I'm thirsty, dude. I'm starving.
It's been 3 days.
I'm gonna eat the sand.
No, it's not food. It's not food. Like, hey, Fireman Joe, do you still have that money?
Yeah.
Oh, how much do you have? Here, let me see.
150 and
150?
out.
Guys, I think I see something over there. Let's walk towards it.
Dude, this is a fun game. I like it.
Shh. Oh, hi guys. What are you guys doing here? What was that again? Do you guys want to use my helicopter? It's only 150.
Yes.
Okay, it'll be just 150.
And like, I did it. Like,
Okay guys, let's go to the helicopter. Here we go. Okay, let's go back home. Where do you live?
we live at the
California?
yeah, California.
Okay, let's go there. Woo!